Valentino from Crusader Caravans in Campbellfield, Victoria. Today we've just had a brand new Excalibur Serenity fully composite Crusader arrive. Take a look. Before we check in the inside, we're going to show you the outside. So the most important thing we're running here is a 6-inch A-frame and 6-inch chassis all the way back down to the drawbar with a 2-inch lift kit for reinforcement. It's a 3mm plate steel, 450 MPa grade of steel, built by the Australian team at Intelligent Engineering, partnered with Crusader just up here in Campbellfield, Victoria. All Australian made. The suspension is a 3.3 tonne fully independent tough ride with shock absorbers. This guy here is again Australian-made unit, all welded here by the robotic team at Tough Ride. These guys here are running a 50mm ball coupling, handbrake of course. You can expect the traditional camera, 12-pin plug, Anderson plug, and breakaway system. We're running our Matador chain hooks and our 3.5 tonne chain rated with a rolling jockey wheel, of course. We have 2 9-kilo gas bottles with the brand new quick release gas systems on there as well, and a gas regulator protector and gas changeover valve as compliant with Energy Safe. We're running with an Excalibur shroud, mostly for looks but also for class. This guy's running a tap protector, tap on the A-frame, very easy to use. We have a toolbox on the front. The toolbox itself has jerry cans either side. The toolbox can have a firebox mounted. You've got your bike racks. There's a variety of different options offered from the Crusaders. This guy here has a Weber Q slide. We have a generator slide on the opposite side. The chassis number of this unit is 1197. If you'd like to be able to find out for colour reference in your particular order. We have a full through tunnel boot all the way through, giving you a heap of storage capacity and a heap of room. The tear weight on this unit is 2610 with an ATM of 3,300 kilos, giving you a payload of roughly about 700 plus kilos. We have a quick adaptive gas bayonet setting, as well as our clearance lights. 4 stabilizer legs either side with quick release, very easy to use from the team at Manutech. Again, that chassis running all the way back with side brace features all the way through, and that 2-inch lift kit providing that full reinforcement all the way back to the wheels and tyres. We have a TV hutch for quick and easy access for all of our outside entertainment. TV, aerial, double power point, and a 12-volt socket. Standing back, we've got a large bedroom window from Dometic and a lounge window. We're running a double glazed Moby Cool Dometic window, and for all your outside entertainment purposes, we've got our external speakers, 3 annex lights distributed evenly across the caravan body, as well as a 17-foot awning all the way across. On the roof, we have a Wineguard TV HD reception. That guy's going to be able to pick up most of your stations across the country, so that way you're not left in the middle of nothing to do. We have 2 solar panels at 170 watts, as well as this particular stock unit, we've upgraded it to run 120 amp lithium system underneath the bed, complete with the new BM Pro Trek 3 HB2 system flying through the electrics. We have our picnic table that packs flat, nice and easy back to the van body. 15-inch 235 wheels and tyres, all terrain, as well as our Tough Ride 3.3 tonne single shock suspension running at the 3.3 tonne ATM capacity. We have an electric step on this unit with a quick and easy button. You'll be the absolute gun at the caravan park, showing all your little techno steps. We have a CrimSafe security door on our Camic door, as well as roller blind for privacy. The flush finish of the composite van, constructed with 32mm fiberglass foam composite panel, roof, walls, floor, front, back, the whole lot. So it's a fully insulated composite unit built by Crusader, one of its kind, one of its class. This guy here is a fully composite unit, running a Bully Line M3 decal protected unit with a 5-year warranty across everything we do. This guy here is an RVMAP manufactured, quality assured, and winner of Manufacturer of the Year 1921. Everything you need to know is Crusader, and the quality of build is second to none in this unit. It is just a streamlined look all across that one van, and it is something completely different to the market. There is not timber in the walls, aluminium in the walls. This is a pressed fiberglass panel, no mold, no water, no dust, no issues. It's awesome. We're running a hot dip gal bumper at the back with our spare tyre, of course, number plate holder, Nava LED lights, looks like the Audi lights as they come through, really spectacular. The silicon job on this is just second to none. It is so professional. These guys run an independent contracting caulking contractor that comes in, and this is top tier professional grade work. A 28 litre stainless steel unit is standard with the Excalibur. It's a hot and cold, of course, and we're running gas and 240. This is an Australian-made Swift appliance manufactured up here in Campbellfield by the team at Swift. We have a Thetford toilet. Comes with either Thetford or Dometic, depending on the supply we have at the current times. Our coast-to-coast all lockable doors. We have an external shower. We have our water fillers front and back. The Excalibur comes with a quick fill system that is a quick tap turn and it sucks the waters directly into the tank fillers. So no need to be able to use those actual tank fillers, more for looks, but we show you how to do that during handover. Our fridge vents, we have our top heat evacuation, quick evacuation point at the roof. That is a streamlined air process, heat rises, keeps the van nice and cool inside with the fridge. This is running a 220 litre three-way fridge. We have our microwave vent. We have our aerial, as well as our Dometic double glazed windows. Just making our way back, we have our mains pressure water filler. We have our quick fills, our cleaning points, and our grey water as well. A little bit more to see on the outside here. We can see our solar panel up on the roof there, as well as all of our other vents. Our full through tunnel boot all the way through, nice and clear. And the generator storage spot right here at the front. Front window with cover guard, of course, and all of our LED lights. It is just so streamlined to see no joins, no chance of ingress. The customers that buy these and buys this particular stock van is going to rest assured that they're not going to have any drama or any situations with their van. I might meet you inside. So popping through in this unit straight away, we've got an aged oak benchtop, Hatari brown floor, cement upholstery, and we've got white matte doors. The class of these units is just exceptional. We've got all of our double power points mounted streamlined underneath because of the composite construction. Really highlights and keeps things out of the way, and it allows the splashback here to just look complete and one-piece streamline again. All drawers in the Excalibur range are a metal-sided drawer runner with a, well, very hard to get out, we'll use the next one, a polycomp base as well as polycomp back, metal-sided runners, and our NX3 306 door fronts. This is a non-ingressible material. Storage all the way back, plumbing tucked to one side, as well as hot and cold. We have a three-way filter tap, like so, and our standard tap here as well. Our windows, midgie, block out, very easy to use. This doesn't come with it, that's mine. We have our cupboards all the way through with adjustable shelves across the whole area in the kitchen. We have our air conditioner plug, electric hot water, gas hot water, strip lighting that is dimmable across all overhead cupboards. Awesome at night. We have the gas hot water, our radio, inside and outside speakers, and wireless lighting module from Sphere. On the roofline, we have 4 LEDs highlighting the whole kitchen, highlighting the lounge. We have our switchable LED hatches with midgie proof as well as full blockout and a very quick and easy quick release system for air evacuation. We have our Nuva Mapper table at the club lounge. So the Serenity comes with a club lounge. Users in and out, it can go right around, it can spin, it can drop, it can dance, it can do whatever you need it to do when you need it to do it. We have footrests either side of the lounge, as well as a massive U-shaped lounge and a heap of storage above. All overhead cupboards are unimpeded, so you have a heap of room there as well. We have our reading lights, like so, with USB interface here on the side. Double power point for quick and easy access for all of our laptop charging. There's a beautiful little placement here to be able to keep things out of the way. And a storage cupboard just behind this area allows for that full depth storage. The fantastic thing about trusting Crusader with your investment is because it is a fully composite van, it means there is non-ingressible material in any of the walls. We'll give you a little bit of a highlight on the window. If we pull this little window frame here, you can see this here. We've got nothing to hide. We've got full ingressible foam. There is no chance of any water adapting to that. Everything's sealed. There is that much silicone. This thing's not moving. So you can trust Crusader with that investment that your asset is protected. We pop him back on here, like so, and she's ready to roll. High-grade fittings. We have 2 Sirocco fans in the bedroom, as well as our little reading lamps with USBs. Double power point in the pigeonholes, which is just fantastic. So this little pigeonhole, we've got our double power point. We've got 12-volt cigarette sockets in there with USBs. We have a full drawer for storage, which is massive, and full height storage there again, all the way through. Nothing has been impeded. Like, it's a bit hard to gauge, obviously, from video, but like the amount of room in here is just massive. I can get almost an arm's worth in there. It's absolutely phenomenal that the team at Crusader have built a fully composite unit without giving or taking anything away that's unexpected. Magazine pouch comes, of course, with the unit, as well as an upgraded lithium battery from the team at iTech World. So we're using high quality fittings that you expect and love. No cheap Chinese bits and pieces in here. We have a battery plus 35 from the team at BM Pro. This comes ready for solar input, mini boost for a DC to DC charger, 40 amp battery regulator, as well as storage mode adaptation, quick fuse plugs, and all of your ins and outs to be able to track and trace. This allows for Bluetooth connectivity, and you can pull up all of your data on the van, as well as hook up a whole heap of third-party accessories. Our TV comes 32 inches standard. Very easy to be able to change this to a smart TV. It's a very quick and easy Fire Stick module. Talk to one of the salespeople about throwing it in, you'll have a crack. We have our Finch Ranger exhaust, like so, as well as our Dometic MobiCool oven. So this guy here is a fan-forced unit. You've got grill, oven, you've got 240 hot plate and three burner gas. As we make our way through, you'll notice the microwave is underneath the bench. Now I'm short, I'm 5 foot nothing. We've got our deluxe from Swift microwave. This is the high-end Australian-made unit from the team at Swift. Easy under the bench access to be able to pull everything in and out without having to pull it on top of you. We're running an IBIS 4 air conditioner, as well as our NCE internal speakers and wine guard handle. Now storage. We have a pull-out pantry. We have our drawers, 2, 3, 4, and little flap. But still, a little bit of storage. And the pack a punch. Now, most importantly, we have a 220 litre Dometic fridge, right-hand hinge, of course, for easy and quick access. No cheap fittings in here, with storage mode, very easy to flip over. So the team at Dometic doing phenomenal. We have a sliding door, of course. We pop this up, we unpin. It's on a quad roll system, so very, very easy to be able to trust on your corrugated or dirt roads. The quality fittings in this is just phenomenal. It's a 16mm board. You can clearly see it. Just slap it around, does the trick beautifully. We have our Dometic ensuite window for just a little bit of light more than anything, and changes the model to give it that high-end feature. We have a ceramic bowl. Oh, she's hard to hit. We have a Thetford bowl, that's a ceramic unit, as well as a ceramic seat. This guy is a high-end unit with a quick flush system, as well as an indicator light to be able to let you know. 2 towel rails and a toilet roll holder. Don't mind me. We have a 4 kilo Kamek washing machine, of course available on demand of supply. In this unit we have a Kamek. Depending on what we have, you might vary between a 3.5 to a 4. A hidey hole and a hot water service, 28 litre, as well as a little bit of storage for some toilet roll holders. And what do you need? Bit of towel storage up like so. We have a cupboard underneath the sink with plumbing tucked at the back. Drawer, 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 drawer. Best ensuite in the industry, hands down, fight to the death over it. These are phenomenal. There's no shelves, there's no, oh, but you can put your deodorant here when you stop. No. This is a shaving cabinet. This is what people have in their homes. This is what, a non-moving caravan is supposed to have. It's supposed to be able to put things in here and close the door and say, see you later. No shelves. This is why. We're a little bit more money, a little bit quality, but it's the thought and the process that goes into it. We actually use our caravans, and you can see the detail of it. Touchlight, bingo bango. We have our overhead cupboard storage all the way back. We have a flush finish back with all access internal wiring in and out. We have fan in, fan out, upsy daisy, and light on, light off. Shower. Give you a bit of a gauge. Boom. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 Michaels deep. This guy here is massive. So it's a fully one-piece composite fiberglass shell from the team. And again, it's an Australian-made fiberglass unit. We have our shower head, goes all the way up and down, providing I know how to use it. I never have to go this high. But it's all the way up. You can go right up to the ceiling, which is fantastic. 3-way mixer valve for quick and easy access. And again, we have fans in and out. So standard on all Crusaders, you can expect that sort of finish. Boop. And we're back through. Things to consider on this van. Why is it worth looking at compared to that of the competitor? Fully composite. No timber in the walls, no timber in the roof, and no timber in the floor. This is the biggest thing to change the industry tenfold. It's a 32mm fiberglass pressed foam sandwich panel. Insurers and everyone alike is sick to death of water leaks, and with caravans there's water. With Crusader there's nothing. There's no worries, there's no problems. It is a composite unit. 2022, this is the standard set in the industry. Do not settle for anything less. Do not settle for anything but a Crusader. Give us a call on 93592938 if you want to find out more or you want to throw us some money and buy a caravan. Go to our website, www.crusadercaravans.melbourne.com.au. Maybe there's something else you like in the range. Hit us up, find out some information. We're not scary people, we're just a bit sarcastic. We love your work. We'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe. Thank you, guys.